Ito na yung sasakyan namin, guys. Ay! Ay! Guys, ay maliit na pala ako, gago. Akala ko susunod yung maliit ako.
Thank you, boy.
Awag.
Oh, 6.9. Ay, na sila da.
Natin. I woke up like this. We are going to Siquijor.
Mga ilido.
Hindi kami na evil eye, guys.
Tapos patingin ako na itsura niya.
Magpa-vlog for memories.
Good morning everyone. As you're settling for your flight, we kindly remind everyone to help keep the cabin a safe and respectful space for all. To protect the
Paliton Beach, guys. Let's go here. Hey. Wedge pa tayo, ah. Hi guys, we are at Paliton Beach. Paliton Beach is better ng hapon for sunset photos. Pero for tanghali, hindi ko siya kaya. Init! So we are at Runic right now. This is the film.
What is total for your okay, that's okay. So this one, we can do around 50% share discount. Dito, mom, we don't allow to drone, tripods, or selfie sticks po, mom.
Ah, ito bawal.
Yes,
okay.
You can keep
Okay na yung tripod natin keep ng
Okay na po.
Hello po, good evening.
Dapat pa rin nagdala ko, ano? Hindi ko kaya mag-tubig. Kaya naman. Hi guys, so we are here at Runic. This is the view. This is the view. Hi guys. Guys, this is what we ordered today. Uy, mukhang masarap siya. Parang na maganda. Picture tayo. Picture? Sige, sinasama. Ayan. Eh, kasama siya sa city. Gusto mo is the fit for night swimming. Wow! Jacuzzi! Picture lang rin ka. Smile ka. Ganyan ka kalaki, Choy! Oh my God! Ito ba nasara? Margaritas in jacuzzi. The after nightlife. The best.